So thanks for taking the time to meet with us, Caroline. Obviously, you're PV manager here at Merck. Thanks for seeing us in these beautiful new Merck offices. They're lovely. So I guess we'll get straight into it. Obviously, your first role was a medication review specialist prior to going into drug safety. So what led you to pursue a career in industry?
So at the time that I was doing the medication reviews, it was sort of on the path to PV because it was assessing the patients' medications, their regimens, their lifestyle choices to try and find the best possible medication regimen for them that was safe and also effective. And so it was really towards the path of PV, and when the opportunity came up at my first role, I took it for a different challenge.
Yeah, and obviously that pharmacy background probably helps because I know PV isn't therapeutically aligned, so you cover a very broad range of therapy areas on a day-to-day basis.
That's right, yep. I guess
Yeah.
in some companies it could be therapeutically aligned, and I have worked in some where we are aligned to particular therapeutic areas, but at the moment we cover the whole range.
Awesome, okay. And obviously as PV manager, you line manage a number of PV associates and have done in the past. So what would you say a typical day for a PV associate would look like?
It's multifaceted. There's intake, so we manage case intake by mailbox or via our database. We do reconciliation, quality monitoring, work on risk management plans. We provide support for the business when patient support programs are initiated or patient access programs. There's a whole number. We attend cross-functional team meetings to provide our input and to understand if there are any patient initiatives that require PV input for contracts and so on and so forth.
And what's your role as manager in the PV team? What is it that you do on a day-to-day basis?
We're quite a small team here. I have an overarching role, so I do help with the case intake sometimes if it's too high, but I also manage the RMPs, the risk management plans, and I do a lot of the certification for vendors and patient data collection systems. I manage that stuff as well. Yeah, just make sure that everything is sort of done on time and our health authority reports are submitted on time.
Yeah. So it's quite a technical role, a good background of a lot of different therapy areas, and
it is technical. There are some aspects of it that are administrative, but there are other aspects of it like the risk management plans and the patient data collection systems. The assessment of that sort of stuff requires a lot of thinking outside the box sometimes. And try to work with the business to have the best possible program with patients in mind.
Yeah, okay. So every day is completely different, would you say, in PV?
Yes, you just never know what's coming.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. So where do you feel you've made the most impact in your role?
I love my job. We keep patients safe.
And what would you say is the most challenging aspect of your role?
I think sometimes you just can't vision the volume of work that could come in on a day.